morning children, welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. This is your mathematics period. Today we will start our chapter 11, Algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which not only the numbers but also we will use the letters also. Using these letters we can generalize formula for many numbers. Using letters we can find the unknown values. In this chapter we will learn how we find the unknown values. Let us watch the class. So let us start chapter 11, Algebra. I told you algebra is a branch of mathematics. In this branch, in addition to numbers, we can use letters. Using these letters, we can write rules and formula in a general way. That is the importance of using these letters. Understood? So, we can solve many problems using these letters and then by algebra. Okay. Let us watch how we can use general formula, how we can use letters to create general formula. For example, we are taking matchsticks pattern. Do you know matchstick? So, using this matchstick, we can prepare a matchstick pattern. First, we are preparing the letter L, English alphabet L. How many matchsticks required to make one L? Here we use 2 matchsticks. For one L, 2 matchsticks. Next we wrote 2 L's using matchsticks. How many matchsticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 matchsticks, 2, 3, 4. So 4 matchsticks. In the next pattern, there are 3 L. How many matchsticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we can find out how many matchsticks are used to form a pattern of 100 L or 200 L. How we will calculate? So instead drawing or making like this, we can introduce a formula for this. How? Using the concept of algebra. Here we assume for n. Suppose n is the number of L's formed. Here 1L, 2L, 3L. So we can count this number of matchsticks. Here 2 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matchsticks and so on it is going. So here we can find out a rule. How? Suppose the number of L's are n. Here 1, 2, 3 like this it is going. After there will be a pattern of n L's. So we are constructing a pattern. We are constructing a rule using this pattern. How? Here first figure has 1 L with 2 matchsticks. We can write 2 into 1. 2L formed with 4. 4 we can write 2 into 2. 3L formed with 6 matchsticks. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So we found if here 2 matchsticks, 1 L. Then 2 L's are formed with 4 matchsticks. 3 L's formed with 2 into 3. Okay. 1 L formed 2 into 1. 2 L formed 2 into 2. 3 L formed with 2 into 3. So, every calculation we found 2 is there. So, for n number of L's we can write 2 into n. Okay. It in a table. columns, 2 columns, number of L's formed, number of matchsticks required. For 1L we found 2 matchsticks, 2L, 4, 3L, 6, and we will write like this. So it is not L's. It is not easy to write for n number of L's. So we suppose n is the number of L's formed. Then for n equal to 1, 2. 2 into 1. N equal to 2, 2 into 2. N equal to 3, 2 into 3. So for n number of L's, we will use 2 into n matchsticks. That means 2 into n we can write 2n. 2 into n number of matchsticks. Okay, either write 2 into n or 2n. Instead 2 into n normally we will write 2n. Okay, so this is the general rule we written for this matchsticks pattern. Using this rule, we can find the number of matchsticks for any number of L's. In the next class, we will learn more problems. So thank you children. Study the notes well and send the review test answers in time.